of the forest. Actually, for the most part, they're kind of rarely seen after those trees. Every once in a while, you take a look without getting caught on low-hanging branches. Get a better look at a couple of black rhinos over on top of the left-hand side there. And they're beautiful animals that hide in 1 inch in thickness. No natural predators whatsoever, but again, poaching has been a very terrible problem for those animals. There's a saddle-belt stork off in the distance, another one over here on the left-hand side. Tall guy. They stand about 5 feet tall. Wingspan 8, even 9 feet. Now headed northbound to work with Savannah. Every wildlife spotting tips for us. We'd love to hear them, you two. Over. Lord is soon gone. All alongside the river, continue to keep your eyes open for hippos. See another one on the right-hand side, so about that right. Oh, actually, I see several now on the left-hand side. You can imagine hippos have such big bodies, they need to spend most of their time in or around the water to keep themselves from overheating. And actually, when you talk about big bodies with hippos, you should know that they've only grown there about 5,000 pounds, males. They actually get a head start on that because when they're born, they're already about 85 pounds. Hippos actually spend most of their day in the water, just kind of submerged. Also, it's known as an upside-down tree because it just kind of looks like it's growing into fruits up in the air. Baobab trees are actually leafless for most of the year.
Miss Johnson, no one in Africa calls them Thompson's Gazette. They are Tommies. Tommies. Over.
All right, thanks a lot, you two. In fact, I see quite a few Tommies, so we'll be in touch with you just a little bit later on. Yeah, I see a few Tommies, Impala, wildebeest, a couple of giraffes going up this way, so just got to take a good look at these animals. Chance to see some Impala just over there on the right-hand side where that down tree is. Solid 2 animals over there on the right. White tails. Impala can actually jump about 30 feet all the way across. Left-hand side. Also on the right, a couple of Tommies. Those small little tan animals, right way underbelly, the black stripe on the side. Twist and turns across the snow and they avoid predators. They're not going to be able to outrun a cheetah in a sprint. They might be able to wear one down by taking the twists and turns. And those dark gray animals over there with black faces. Ones you call this, a little white hair under their chins. Those are white Africans, wild cattle. Actually, what I've migrated through East Africa every single year, and I've reached herd size of about 1 million to 1.5 million. Just the largest animal migration on the planet. They don't all make it, obviously. A lot of animals out there, a lot of large predators to watch out for, lions and hyenas. But actually more dangerous for wildebeest when they cross those rivers. They're easily picked up by Nile crocodiles, which I've already seen. No challenge to a Nile crocodile. This is right up on top of the hillside of that very tall tree. This is some of my personal favorite animals and the largest antelope in all of Africa. Those are elands. See them up there up on the hillside, large, light-brown animals. Actually, a fully grown male eland can stand nearly 6 feet tall, just up at the shoulders, and actually nearly 2,000 pounds. So we can look at that on the right-hand side as well. We have mammals on the left-hand side, very social animals. Largest of the monkeys, in fact. Eastern white pelicans to the right, elephant out there. A single one to Wilson. Do you have any clues as to the whereabouts of Big Red and Little Red? Over.
Elephants are wonderfully social creatures. They have moods.
Big Red and Little Red. Elephants. Fully grown female elephants are about 6,000 to 8,000 pounds. Well, Samuel Wilson, we'll pick you up when we can. That's good.
Anything unusual.
inside of the shade of the...
There's a white rhino up on top of that ridge. You ever seen when you take around the corner back there? Big white rhino. A few white animals out in the distance.
Oh, that's better.
Behind us is cooperatively. One of the big cats have really gathered together cooperatively to do that. There's big animals. Natural lion estimating about 5 feet long nose to tail and nearly 400 pounds. Male lion will actually be about 8 feet long nose to tail and almost 500 pounds. Massive animals.
The east air, they're coming from the west. We could charge them.
Please, Civil One, we need your help.
Absolutely. You can count on us, Miss Johnson. Wilson is a simple one. We're on it. Let's take that might be the poachers right now over that jeep. There's no way we'll be able to catch this structure. Oh, folks are good at this because the poachers can. If we're headed this way, there's a chance we maybe can cut them off. But we're going to keep going and hold on.
Stop them, sir. You forced them into our trap.
One tap big red. Should be fine.
Warden is still right safe.
Oh, that's okay.
Hey, great job, Warden.
Damn.
It's not that we can be of help to you, too. I'll talk to you after days. So long.
There's one up there.
Ew, this is ugly.
Those have those in
Two big lumps.
Oh, there's a
See it?
someone going out.
Oh, they have Hakuna Matata? Here we surround me Africa, there are no worries. Have a great day, guys.
there. Look at you down there. There's something. What's his ear? His long neck.
What's up, friends? Take a time for about one more family after this. Then he does have to be going. We're gonna be there by the first station till about 5 o'clock.
No, these are
I'm your stage manager for this performance, and today I've got two special campers here that are going to help me out by starting our show by banging on our ceremonial drum and calling forth Pocahontas and her forest friends. Right now, I'm going to have them introduce themselves and tell us where they're from.
I'm Jeanette, and I'm from Fort Lauderdale. I'm Steven, and I'm from Fort Lauderdale.
Let's give them a great big hand for Stephen and Jeanette. Okay, on the count of three, we're going to bang on the drum and start our show. You ready, guys? Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Someday my prince will come.
No,
request is too extreme.